Hi my loves, welcome back. So today's video is going to be a Ferragamo, Prada and Dior haul. So you guys know that I recently went and vlogged in Dior and Ferragamo and Prada. If you haven't seen those shopping vlogs, I will link them above and in the description bar below. You guys love shopping vlogs, so of course I love taking you along with me, and I definitely did pick up some goodies. So for those of you that are new to my channel, welcome. I would love for you to join the family, and all you need to do is hit that red subscribe button and don't forget to click that bell so you're notified each time I upload. One thing that I love to do for my family is to give back, so don't forget to enter my Rare LV giveaway. And this is the video here which you can enter, and one of you get the chance to win the Rare LV multicolor card holder or $750 Australian PayPal cash. So there's 1 week left to go, so do enter. But as our family grows, you know I love doing giveaways, so there's plenty more to come. Anyway, let's get right into the reveals. Okay, let's start off with Dior. So what is in this itty bitty box? So you're probably going to think it's maybe, you know, from my last vlog, it's a mini micro bag, but I'm still thinking about that. They're so cute, but very pricey. I feel like maybe, you know, if you just spend a bit more, you can get like the mini Lady Dior. Anyway, I had a couple of things on hold that I hadn't picked up. So let me show you what this is. And in here, this, guys, is actually from the Dior sale. For those of you that don't know, Dior do seasonal sales, and I just hadn't had a chance to go pick it up. But I did find a gorgeous classic belt on sale. So this is the Dior Montaigne belt. So it's just slides in like this, and then, whoops, and then like that. So that is what it looks like. I will also try it on for you, and I just think you can't go wrong with, whoops, you can't go wrong with the classic tan belt. And I love, you know, the CD, tan and gold goes so well. I will try to find my receipt to find out the price, but yeah, it was like 30 or 40% off this price. Let me see if I've got the Dior receipt. Yes, I do. So this was originally 1,400 Australian, and then 40% off, I paid $840 for this belt. So really happy to add this to my collection. Okay, let's move on to something from Prada. So in here, any guesses from the Prada vlog? It's actually really fun visiting Prada. And in here, I got, so I own one of these already, and actually did have this, but I was thinking between two colors and I ended up picking the black. You guys saw me wear the Prada headband in the last vlog, but now I love it so much, I decided to go back and get the beautiful beige colorway. So I've got the black, and I'm like, no, you know what? I want to get the black first, wear it, see if I love it. And then if I really want, you know, the neutral colorway, I'll go and get it. But this headband comes in so many different colors, like pinks and blues and lots of different colors, in each season they come up with new colors. So it is a padded headband. It is pretty thick, so you know it's a little bit more fashion forward because it is really thick. Not to mention it's got, you know, Prada emblazoned there. They do have versions that you can have Prada on the side as well. Okay, so let me just try it on. I don't think it really matters how you wear it. I mean, I'll just wear it now. Now it is going to look too much because I've got my mega Chanel earrings on, but I wouldn't wear these big earrings on with it. But I really like the neutral colorway too. What do you guys think? I think black and neutral are a lot more easier to match, but I think you do need to get used to, you know, the oversized big padded headband. But personally, I really like it. So that's the first piece I got from Prada. Okay, let's move on to Ferragamo, and let me show you what I got. And this, as you can tell, you know, from the box, is a pair of shoes. And I picked up, this is again gonna come at no surprise because I told you guys I wanted to add this back into my collection, and you can't get more classic than these. So these are the classic Vara ballet flats. And I love this because it has just a little heel. I actually find flats, complete flats, more uncomfortable than say something with just a really small heel. And this was exactly what I was looking for. Actually, years ago, I did own a pair of Vara flats, but you know, I gave them to my mum because she loved them so much. But one thing that I didn't realize, and you guys might not realize too, there's actually two versions of this Vara flat. Now this version which I've got is still black patent, but the bow is in grosgrain, and the fit of it, as you can see me trying on, kind of looks slightly more vintage. So this was actually the first version of Vara that came out. You wouldn't even know if you didn't realize that this was the first version. The current version looks very, very similar. You can still get them in the black patent. It's just that the bow is in black patent as well. And see the sides of this shoe? This original version actually comes up a little bit higher than the current version. So for me personally, I found that it made my foot slimmer. So I just really liked that. And it's a shame because this original version, I think it only comes in black patent. They actually discontinued the rest of the colors. So I would have loved to purchase another color, but the current Varas, I mean, they're a perennial classic. They come in so many different colors, and occasionally the seasonal colors do go on sale, but you'll find the ones like the, you know, black patent or the taupe, you know, the neutral colors, they don't tend to go on sale. But yeah, next time in your Ferragamo store, just ask the sales advisor about the two different versions. I'm not sure what this is originally called. It's still called Vara, but this is just the first version that came out. So I absolutely love them. They are a timeless classic. Oh, I forgot to share the price of these Varas. So these were full price, and I knew that anyway, but it was 975 Australian dollars. If I find any other links to ones I can find online on sale, I'll link them below as well. Okay, since we're on Ferragamo, I might as well show you what hubby got. And I think you guys would know from the vlog because he tried them on and they are amazing. He loves them. So yes, they're a pair of shoes, but these are special. So let me show you. So this, guys, let me see. So it's, the official name is called Angelio, and this is from their Tremezza line. I said Tremenza last time, it's not Tremenza, it's Tremezza. And what makes these shoes so special, as I mentioned in the vlog and what the sales associate was telling me, is that it is one piece of leather. It is handmade by the artisans in Florence, one piece of leather. That is why there is only one seam there. There's no other seam. And the minute hubby put these on, he was like, whoa, these are so comfortable. I'll put a clip of him trying them on again, but they are just beautiful. I can just, this leather is just, it's just got this beautiful sheen, and it is dark brown, but it's got some lighter bits of brown. I don't know what it is. It's sort of like burnished or mottled effect. If they did these for women, I would so get a pair, because it's not often you can get, you know, shoes completely handmade nowadays. Yeah, Tremezza. And they do fit true to size. Hubby just got his regular size. So for all my male viewers out there, do check out the Tremezza line. They're just really worth it. And we were quite surprised at the price because the price was 1,550. So very similar to a lot of luxury brands, men's shoe prices. It wasn't, I thought might be a little bit more, but it wasn't. So I'm just so thrilled that hubby went in and he loved these. So definitely had to grab them for him. All right, let's move on to Dior. So in here, let me show you. I am wrapped. I found this also on sale, and it is this beautiful scarf. It's actually really big. So you probably won't be able to see the whole design, but you guys can see how big it is. Let me see if it's got I'm not sure what size it is, but it is a combination of cashmere, wool, and silk. Now, if you recognize this pattern, it's because I actually own one of this. I own the Twilly in this pattern, so I already loved it. So when I found out that this was on sale, I was like, yes, definitely I want it. I mean, it doesn't go with my outfit. It's so light, you could wear it like that, belted up. You know, I could definitely transform this. You guys know I love doing this into like a dress with something underneath, but it's so luxurious. And this pattern, oh, so beautiful. So again, let me tell you the price. So it was originally 1,650 Australian dollars. 40% off is $990. So that was another one of my sale purchases. So yeah, just know that Dior do go on sale. Their bags don't, but shoes, accessories, and some other items do go on sale like twice a year. But yeah, I love their new collection. You know, in the vlog, guys, I was asking you, should I get the Dior book tote? And I was deciding between the lime and the raspberries. Besides these two items that I had to pick up from the store, I thought I was going to get, you know, a book tote, but I like it, but I don't love it. So I'm still thinking about it. What do you guys think? I think most of you voted the lime. I'm still not 100% sure yet. So when I'm not 100% sure, I just like to think about it for a bit. And the final item that I got is from Prada. And I think this is so cute. And let me show you what's in this box here. So let me show you what's in this bag here, this tiny little dust bag. It actually is a bag, and it is, ta-da! How cute is this? Oh, guys, I think the neighbors are got the whippersnipper out. Oh dear. Hang on a sec. Okay, guys, as I was saying, how adorable is it? It is called the Mini Promenade. Now, the Promenade is a classic shape for Prada, but I didn't realize they came in a mini size. So when I was in Dior, you know, I loved all the mini, you know, Lady Dior and Caro and everything, but they were like, the mini Lady Dior, I think, was $4,500. And so this was really well priced. I'm so sorry, guys. It's not even the whippersnipper. I think it's a chain store next door. So please excuse the sound, but this is what happens sometimes when you film. So as I was saying, this is the Mini Promenade, and I thought it was so adorable. And you don't need to worry about this going out of style. I really wanted a mini bag. And let me just take all the stuffing out. So inside, it's all got the Prada fabric lining, and I'll show a close-up of that. And it also comes with a beautiful Saffiano shoulder strap. Now, the reason why I decided to get this, it also comes in other colors, is I do love mini bags as well. But this one fits my phone. Look at this. It actually fits my phone. So I love the mini bag trend, but it still needs to be usable and functional in my opinion. And with the Dior mini bags, look, I'm never gonna say never because I might end up getting one, but that does not fit my phone. But this one does, and it's like way, like maybe 60% or so cheaper than the Dior mini bags. So I thought this was really worth it. It also came in pink, but I just love the blue. I thought it was just so cute. I showed a picture of this to Miss S. Miss S doesn't have any designer bags, but she's like, Mummy, can I borrow it for our twinning pictures? And I'm like, yeah, definitely. So how cute is this little mini promenade? I love the little clochette. Yeah, it's sort of like, you know, it gives me a little bit of Alma vibes, but in this little size, I just thought it was so stinking cute. What do you guys think? Let me know. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed my haul from my shopping trip the other day. I'm really glad to have picked up some great sale items and some classic items as well. So thank you so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Don't forget to enter the LV giveaway, and I will catch you soon in my next video. Bye, guys. Oh my goodness, guys, I totally forgot to show you this. The kind sales associate at Ferragamo actually gave me this book, which was so nice of her. And it is, let me just turn it around, all about Ferragamo silks. I mean, how nice is that? Hang on a sec, I'm gonna open this up and show you quickly. So guys, the cover is actually in silk. Oh my goodness, that's so nice. And Ferragamo actually do a lot of silk scarves. Oh, I didn't realize there's so many beautiful florals too. So I think this is just a collection of some of their, you know, silk scarves throughout the ages. So that's really nice. I really appreciate when brands just give you a little snippet of their history, and, you know, sometimes they just give you these sort of books. So thank you so much. That was really great service at the Crown Ferragamo store as well. So thank you.